preparation of meat pickles. Meat is a nutrient-dense food. It provides suitable environment for proliferation of meat spoilage microorganisms and foodborne pathogens. Preservation of meat and meat products require considerable energy inputs for chilling and freezing during storage and marketing. High perishability of meat and meat products is a serious problem in tropical countries due to frequent fluctuations in electricity supply. Pickling of meat in edible oil, salt, spices, condiment, and vinegar provides ready-to-eat product with good storage stability at room temperature. Reduced water activity and acidic pH are the two major hurdles that contribute in improving shelf life of meat pickles. So along with preservative effect, pickling also has certain benefits like improved color, flavor, texture of the product. Meat pickles are the easiest way of preserving meats for a long period of time and making meats ready to eat and convenient. Now, pickle falls under a category of shelf-stable products. So these are the shelf-stable products, ready-to-eat products which do not require refrigeration during their storage. Generally, these products are prepared by using hurdle technology concept. So hurdle technology is the basic concept for shelf-stable products which uses two or more hurdles that prevent growth of microorganisms, for example, reduction in humidity, reduce water availability for microbial growth, reduce pH so that microbial growth can be retarded. For pickle preparation, meat is cut into uniform chunk size of 1 to 2 inch and steam cooked with salt in a pressure cooker without whistle. The pickle is made by heating little amount of oil in a deep bottom pan and then frying of cooked meat over medium heat until it turns slightly brown. Then ginger garlic paste is fried until golden brown color is obtained. Further, dry spice mix, chili powder, mustard powder, fenugreek, asafoetida are heated in oil until oil separates and are set aside. Once all ingredients are prepared, then fried spices, condiments and remaining ingredients are mixed and further fried meat pieces are added. Now to improve antioxidant capacity of the product, antioxidants like sodium ascorbate, vitamin E can be used which maintain flavor and overall acceptability of the product during storage. Further, after cooling, all the remaining mustard oil and vinegar added. Product is packed in polyester, polyethylene, laminate pouches or PET jars and stored at room temperature. Generally, for pickle preparation, 1 week maturation period is necessary, during which spices, acidulants penetrate inside meat chunks and give desirable flavor and texture. A finished product can be stored for more than 3 months at room temperature. These are the steps in pickle preparation. Preparation of chunks followed by steam cooking. Then these steam cooked chunks are fried so that maximum amount of moisture can be removed. Then along with these fried chunks, all other non-meat ingredients they are fried and mixed together to make pickles. Processing and value addition. Meat is a profitable business for all. It helps in effective utilization of surplus meat. Meat from spent animals could be effectively utilized for pickle preparation. pH below 5 is critical for preservation of meat pickles. Initial cost of investment is very minimum in pickle preparation. Simple and cost-effective pickle with lower investment has potential for providing employment opportunities.